Oh, hello, team. This is Brian890. I am here with Beverly, Scott, and Rebecca's existing furnace that we will be replacing. We're leaving the air conditioning, just replacing the furnace with a 100,000 BTU, two-stage, high efficiency, 96% furnace. Putting a bottom box on there. We'll be installing a electrostatic media filter, the 1-inch, as well as an Oxy 4 ducted respiratory unit and a new large bypass humidifier. The furnaces are just about the same size, so there shouldn't be any spatial issues. Very reasonable homeowners, so if you need to move anything, I'm sure they'll help and be okay with it. The access is a basement, but no choke points in that. 890 out.